Yo, man, we back. We got some goodies, man. Step out here to the garage, man, see how we got going on. Yeah, man, we got some goodies. But before we get into the goodies, man, dang, I lost the goodies. Y'all go ahead, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Go ahead, tap that notification bell so that every time I drop, y'all be notified, man. And if you haven't already, go ahead, man, tap in with belownationcreator-spring.com, man. Get your merch, man. Get your hoodies, get your t-shirts, get your tumblers, get your sweatshirts, your long sleeve tees, all that good stuff, man. All that good ain't it, man, materials, man. All that good Below Nation materials, man. Y'all need to have that in your life, man. For real. Or y'all just hit me up, man, and purchase the hats, man. You know what I'm saying? Below Nation. Yeah. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead, man. Get into what we came here for, man. We got some of this here, man. I can't open it and hold the camera, so let me go ahead, open it, hit y'all back. All right, man. So here we go, man. What we got? I know I told y'all, man. I showed y'all in the last video how the Camry, I mean not the Camry, but the Firebird be making that noise, man, when the when I turn the lights off or when I try to turn them on sometimes, cause that ring gear in there, I mean that gear in there is bad. It's a nylon gear, man, that little plastic. So man, we went with the brass gear, man. We went with the brass gear. They got this urethane, man. When you break that the housing open, man, you can seal it back up. Here go the grease. So here's the rubber that go on the inside of it. Let me see what it say. Headlight bushing. You see how I got them little 4 things right there? You go off your nose, like so, like that right there. But yeah, man, this is the Corvette 97 through 04, 4th gen Firebird 93 through 02, headlight, motor, gear. It's a installation, but I ain't doing no motor gear installation. We're doing the motor gear. Well, yeah, the motor gear installation. You're right. Motor gear installation, man. So, yeah, man. I'm not gonna do it tonight though. I ain't gonna do it tonight. I ain't even finna try to do it, cause, man, I just ain't. I ain't feeling it tonight. It took a lot out of me trying to deal with that stuff the other night, and I came in here last night and fixed the windshield wipers on her. I ain't even recorded, but her windshield wipers I had fixed them one time, and I threw them off track, so it was coming too far over here, and it was hitting over here. You can see it was hitting right there. Windshield wipers was, so we ain't having that problem no more. The windshield wipers don't come all the way over, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't wait to, man, give y'all the video of me putting this on. Man, it ain't gonna be nothing major. It's just that noise is just irritating to me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gotta do this with the headlights. We still gotta put the shocks on. Got the shocks over there. After that, man, I may just go ahead and do some struts, man. So yeah, man, we gonna see what it do. But man, I've been seeing in the comments, man, y'all been asking, hey man, what you do with the Firebird? You gotta do some videos with the Firebird. You doing videos with the camera, you doing videos with the Jeep, you doing videos with MayRose, you don't never do nothing with the Firebird. So y'all heard in the last video, the Firebird is officially named Redbird. So man, we finna start doing some stuff to Redbird, man. Bring some more stuff to the content, man. You know what I'm saying? Bring some more stuff to the channel. So yeah, by the time I get back on this video, it'll be whenever I'm doing this headlight thing, so this headlight gear. So I'm gonna holler at y'all then, man. So what we're about to do, we about to take this headlight out, man. About to take the headlight out, put these gears in here, man, so we can stop having that noise. I don't even know what I did with all this stuff. What did I do with it? I don't know what I did with it. So let me find that. Let me find that, and then I'll come right back, man. We finna get right to the bed. Alright, so here go everything right here. You got the gear. You got the little roll piece, the little grommet that goes inside the gear. All your gaskets, all your glues, all your grease, all that. So what we're gonna start it is right off in there, man, on these Firebirds. Get a Allen key, you twist it to open the light up, and then you take out the insides and all this. So let me go ahead and open this up. I gotta find my Allen keys first. Let me find my Allen key. I'll be right back. Yep, so you get your Allen key. Oh boy, that's close. You get your Allen key, man. You twist that thing, and the light come up. Light come open. I remember this part. I dropped it. Cause that part, that's what we're doing right now. That's what we actually finna work on. The motor to the headlight. I'm gonna get this headlight all the way up. Is it all the way up? Yep, it's all the way up. Put that to the side. Get your Phillips head screwdriver. You got a bolt. You got a screw here, screw here, screw here. Take them screws out. This plastic comes out. That way you can access a little more of this inside of there. So, yeah, man, I think I'm gonna put this GoPro over here and time lapse all this, man, cause yeah, I ain't gonna never get done if I'm constantly doing this here. So let me go ahead and try to knock this out. All right. That screw there, gotta take that off, cause this rod is what makes the light go up and down. So you take that screw off right there, and then I think it's 2 or 3 bolts that hold the motor in. Take them out, and then you be all good to go. I want to take this whole headlight out, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let me get back on up in here. Alright, y'all, so we got this out. I think this is from where I fixed it last time. Got this out, gotta unhook it off that plug right there. Yeah, that's another plug going somewhere. Yeah, man, what's that? Oh, that's going to the headlights itself. Yeah, finna unplug this, man, and take it out and get this kit and do everything I need to do. So that last bolt, man, I hate that it's a bolt in there, man. It's ugh. But yeah, we gonna knock this out, cause I done got tired now, buddy. Knock this right here out. Well, I'm gonna come back. when I get this apart. I gotta take this apart, take this strap off, and show y'all what it look like on the inside, show y'all why it's making the noise that it's making and all that good stuff. So let me do that right quick, and I'm gonna bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, so here it is. So actually the brass wheel was still in there, this is just grease. Actually the brass wheel was still in there, but it ate that one up too. Y'all can see all the teeth good except for when it get right here. So I don't know, I guess it's just something to do. I guess it's just supposed to eat up, because it's the same thing it was doing to the nylon wheel too. So, but yeah, this the little wheel that's in there, which I got the new one right there. Get all this stuff. Get all the new stuff, brass, the grommet, they go in there. There's all this stuff here. So I'm about to take all this out, replace it, see what we get. Alright, new wheel, new rubber. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but hey, we're finna try it. Cause I mean, really honestly, I could've just, even though you don't know where you're gonna start at on it, but you could've just changed the wheel around. You know what I'm saying? Changed it around, put it in another position. But you don't know where it's catching it, so you just, I don't know what's up with that. I guess it's just meant to do that. I don't know. But yeah. Whew. Yeah, y'all. So we the man got this thing back together, man. Got it back together. I got everything back in how it's supposed to be. How I took it out. Changed the wheel out. I'm on the phone with my stylist right now. She said she wanted to take me out on a date. So I'm on the phone with my stylist. Hey y'all, look, when y'all get up, you know what I'm saying, when y'all start getting y'all money, man, with the YouTube, man, hire y'all stylists, man, so y'all, you know what I'm saying, can get out of all that other stuff, man, you know what I'm saying, trying to figure out what you gonna wear and all that. Just hire you a stylist, bro. You got the money, go and pay for it. So, you know what I'm saying, she's on the way to find me something for the evening, and, yeah. Are you still there, stylist? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's still there. So she said she was about to go and find me something, man, you know what I'm saying? She said I need to be fly. So she said she was gonna find me something, throw me something together. So yeah, but let me let y'all see, man, how this headlight was. Y'all remember what it was doing at first? It was coming up when you turn the park lights on. It was, you know what I'm saying, doing all kind of crazy stuff. Now look at it, hold on. Park lights on. That ain't up. See, that ain't up. Turn the headlights on. Turn the headlights off. All right, so we fixed for a brief moment, because I don't know how long this thing gonna last, man. I think these things just meant to wear out or something, man. So yeah, but yeah, man. So let me finish talking to my stylist, man, so we can go over the ensemble for the evening, and yeah, I hit y'all right back, man. Alright, y'all, so y'all seen me put the headlight in. I mean, put the headlight gear in. You know what I'm saying? The motor, y'all seen everything sounding right. Now, I'm trying to think, man, if I want to buy some LED headlights for the Redbird, man. LED headlights and the LED fog lights to match, man. Just like how I got, you know what I'm saying, them matching, and MayRose matching too. So, y'all been telling me, man, to go ahead and y'all been telling me to go ahead and man, start doing some stuff on the Redbird, man. So I'm thinking, do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? You know what I'm saying? Get the fog lights and the headlights to match. Should I do it? What y'all think, man? LED all in that thing. I gotta do some LED interior lights and stuff. And man, I gotta come back. Yeah, I see that junk, that done shine color on it. Well, it done went away. So I gotta come back. I see it's the bird on there and everything, man, it's gone. So I gotta come back, get that decal right there, man. I already got the LED reverse lights, which I need to get some. I need to get the ones that I got for the cam dog, man. You know what I'm saying? The tag light is LED also, I think. Maybe not. But yeah, so I gotta get that. But this tent, man, you know, I had to be behind that tent, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So man, the next thing to do for the Redbird, man, is definitely I gotta put them shocks on the back. I gotta put the shocks on the back. And I don't know if the strut's bad on it or not, cause I ain't getting no weird running from the front, so I don't know. But I think the back rotors, they be kind of bad, so I gotta do that, man. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man, for the Redbird. I ain't gonna do too much. Like I ain't gonna do too much to it. I promise I'm not. My main focus is Big Bear over there and MayRose, man. Trying to get ready for May 15th, man. Get ready for May 15th, man. Connect and Never Competing car show, man. Close this over garage. Get ready for that car show. Yeah, man. I'm about to get back to my stylist, man. I gotta get back to my stylist. Had to come to close this video out. So, I'm gonna call her back, man, and yeah, do that. And yeah, man, I catch y'all in the next one, man. It's your boy B-Lo Nation, man. We out of here.